Hey guys, this is Faraz and welcome back to this channel. And guys, Vakil Sahab second single just dropped like few minutes ago, and I'm already very excited to this because I know that the first single of this movie was Maguwa Maguwa, sung by Sri Sriram, one of my favorite singer from South Indian cinema. I just love that guy. I just love his songs, love his singing and everything. So guys, Vakil Sahab, which stars power star Pawan Kalyan in the lead role, and the movie is the official remake of Bollywood movie Pink, which starred Amitabh Bachchan, Taapsee Pannu, Kirti Kulari in the lead roles. So this is the official remake of that movie, and it will be coming out very soon in April. I think 2nd April को release होने वाली है movie, and the second single from this movie just came out. So guys, without wasting any time, let's just check this song out, Satyamev Jayate, and then we are gonna talk about it. By the way, it's a Thaman S musical, one of my favorite musicians from South Indian cinema. Thaman S musical. Oh, Vakil Sahab. Is that Shankar Mahadevan? Yes, that is a powerful voice. That is Shankar Mahadevan. Oh, oh, look at that guy. This was the background music in the teaser, na? Yes, Shankar Mahadevan. Wow, he looks awesome. Well, to be honest, he is much younger than Amitabh Bachchan. Whoa. Wow. What happened there? Thaman S. Awesome music, guys. Awesome music. Written and directed by Sriram Venu. Okay, there is a sort of rap too. Ninth April, sorry, I was wrong. Not 2nd April, the second week of April. 9th April. So mark your calendar, guys. This is the second single from movie Vakil Sahab, and brilliant composition by Thaman S. Thaman S is just one of my favorite musicians from South Indian cinema. And he's just fabulous composer. I just really like his music, really love his songs, and whatever he composed, it's just phenomenal. Brilliant composition and very powerful voice given by Shankar Mahadevan sir from Bollywood. You know, he's a Bollywood singer, and you can't expect anything less from this, because it's Shankar Mahadevan, very powerfully sung by him, and the lyrics were literally very powerful. And there were some, you know, dramatic scenes, heavy scenes. I didn't know what was going on there with that little girl when he was carrying him. And of course, you know, power star Pawan Kalyan looks awesome here because of the role, you know, that he's playing a character of a vakil and you know, a lawyer. So, and he is much younger than Amitabh Bachchan, so he has that energy, he has that aura surrounding him, and you know, he's so swaggy, so swaggy. I mean, in fact, when I checked out the teaser, I clapped when you know, when they showed him for the first time. I mean, when they showed his entry, I clapped for him, man. He got some swag to himself, and that is an awesome composition by Thaman S. I really like this song. The lyrics are literally very powerful lyrics, as I already mentioned. And in fact, the highlight of the song was just the music of Thaman S. You know, the background music, the music, everything was just awesome of this song. So yeah, this was the second single from movie Vakil Sahab, which is an upcoming Telugu movie, and it stars power star Pawan Kalyan in the lead role, and sung by Shankar Mahadevan, music by Thaman S. So yeah, what else you need? Yeah, everything is awesome about this song. I literally like this song, love this song. It's going straight away into my playlist, and I'm gonna listen to it on loop. It is that kind of song. Satyamev Jayade, Satyamev Jayade. Powerful words. And you know, this is also the background music. It was used in the teaser, you know, the background music and that whistle, it is from the teaser. So this was that title track kind of song, you know. So I really liked it, guys. This was my reaction to the official second single of Vakil Sahab, Satyamev Jayate. So guys, whatever thoughts are regarding this, please drop them in the comments below. And I know there is a first single from this movie which came out like a year ago now, Maguwa, sung by one of my favorite singers, Sri Ram. So I think I should check that out. So yeah, that is the first single, and this is the second single. So guys, whatever thoughts are regarding this, please drop them in the comments below, then we'll talk about it. You know, and if you have anything to recommend to me or to suggest to me, then please drop them in the comments below. And if you really like this reaction, really like this video, then please hit that like button below. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then please hit that subscribe button below for more videos like this, and push that notification bell icon so you never miss another update from this channel. Until then guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please keep watching and keep supporting.